recording.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Yeah, you can turn on your camera.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. So, what's your good name? I couldn't see that on your. It's Suresh.
No, no. My name is Sandesh.
Okay, Sandesh. Okay, that's hi Sandesh. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah,
Can you please?
I'm doing great.
Okay.
So, I guess it's our first time. Let's just give brief introduction. First of all, I can give, then you can share your introduction. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, I am an engineer by profession. I am from Pakistan, Islamabad. I am currently working as a design engineer. And yeah, I have started my YouTube channel few days ago. So I am just making conversation with random people and just recording. It also helps me to improve my English, and it's also help other people. They can also improve that in this way. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay. So can I introduce myself?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. So my name is Sandesh, and I'm from Maharashtra, from India. And
Okay,
if I
that's
talk
great.
about education, so I 12 first, and after that I completed ITA course, and uh, right now I'm working in private company as an electrician. So that's it all about me.
Okay, that's great. I can see your uniform, Aqua Cool. This is your company name, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so my question is how that things come into in your mind, like you can learn English and you should learn English, like how you started your journey as an English learner.
Okay, so brother, my English journey. So I started my journey 26 November 2023. So today I completed 2 months.
Okay, that's great.
But initial days, in the beginning, I'm not able to speak with anyone. I'm even single words, even sentence. But after practice, regular practice, I can right now speak with anyone.
Okay, that's great. So it's just like 2 or 3 months ago you started, and now you can say something in English and you can like understand what I am saying or what other people are saying, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. So, yeah, my next question is, how do you learn English? Like, one thing that you mentioned is like speaking to the other people. What are the other things what are the other resources that you use to improve your English or that you use as a beginner?
Uh, a regular, mostly I watch conversation video on YouTube. Mostly I watch conversation video on YouTube, and on there are social media. So there are many apps like Hybro, CV. So every day I use and that app I use every day, and try to connect with unknown people every day through this app and Skype, Hybro, CV. So every day I skip different people, unknown people. So that's way. This way I'm improving my communication skills.
Okay,
And
that's great.
listening is the most important Part listening is a very important part. First, as much as you can listen, then only words automatically will come, and we can speak. and
Exactly.
uh,
Yeah, you are right.
and
Yeah, continue.
if we will speak more and more, then only we will improve our communication skill, grammatical mistake. We will get to know where we can rectify our mistake by speaking.
Yes, yeah, you are right. Like, so you usually use these two methods, speaking with the other people, with the unknown people, and then just try to listen anything on the YouTube, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. As a initially, I also started like you were saying, I also used these two methods back, I guess maybe 3 or 4 years ago when I started speaking. So yeah, these are really helpful techniques. I would say yeah, just continue that and just try to do it regularly on the daily basis. Don't try to skip some days. You can take 1 or 2 days off, but not more than that. But other than that, I guess everything is okay as a learner. Yeah, there is a difficult path in the beginning, but once you started, just keep going. Just go with the flow.
Yes, if you will skip 1 2 days, after that you will think I all forgot. So we have to stay consistent every day, and every day we have to speak with unknown people. Then only we will improve our communication skills.
Yeah, that's
Consistency is
great.
consistency is very important.
Yeah, exactly. So, in your job environment, do you speak English or your native language?
No, we mostly speak in Hindi here. You know, I'm from India, so my state name is Maharashtra. So my mother tongue is Marathi, but we speak Marathi, Hindi, both the language we mostly we speak in my workplace. But in my office, also other people, those people are working in office. They people mostly speak in English. So here I'm not. Sometimes I try to speak with them, but sometimes I sometimes they are very busy, so uh, I'm not able to speak with them because if I make mistakes, then they will laugh at me, they will make fun of me, so that's why sometimes I try to speak.
Yeah, it's okay. We all have mistakes. No one is perfect. Even though, like, if you are talking to me, I am also making a mistakes. I would say nobody is perfect. But the main thing is like, as long as you communicate and you can convey your message, that is enough. We have to learn English as a communication skill, not as as a language or maybe our mother language. We cannot learn in that way. So the one thing that I wanted to mention is like you should not think about like people will laugh on you or they are making fun of you. Just get rid of those people. Just try to keep going and just try to learn every day something new.
Yes, you are right. And when did you start to learn this language?
Actually, since I started school, I used this language, but I was not good enough to speak. For speaking, I guess maybe it's 3 or 4 years ago I started speaking. Before that, I can only read and write and listen. So speaking is not more than that. I just started few years ago English as a speaking language.
Okay, but you are speaking good. You are
Uh,
fluent, uh, good.
Yeah, even lot of people, I have lot of friends from your country, from India. They always say me, you speak well, but I always say them like, and I am not good. I need lot of improvement as well because I am a human. I can make mistakes. So as a learner, we all has to do small efforts every day just to keep ourselves on the right track and just to keep improving day by day.
Yes, yes, you are right. But we talk about English language, so nobody perfect over
Yes.
here for this
Because
language.
it's not our mother language. If you born in that country or if it is your native language, then it's okay. It's our second language. Like as you mentioned, you speak Marathi and Hindi in your workspace and in your home. We also use Hindi, Urdu in inside our home and in the workplace, or maybe sometime Punjabi. So it's also our second language. We also have to practice with some other people all around the world.
Okay, and what's the main purpose of learning this language?
For me,
Yes, yes, for you.
it's just like fun for me, like because when I started in the past, I thought like I should learn it as a just to gain some knowledge and some to know about the culture of other people, other countries. Now, once I came in this community, I thought like, yeah, it is a good language. I should get a chance to meet new people every day. So you can say now I am just learning as a fun. How about you? Like, why do you want to learn?
Because I am married and I have two kids, and I want to teach my children. So that's why I want to learn this language. First, I will learn, and after that, I will teach my children.
Okay, that's great.
The main purpose of learning behind this.
So you have a family you wanted to teach your children, so that's why you are learning, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's
Because
great.
if you see nowadays, English is very important language, and if you will see um, everywhere people speak in English. If you have this language, so like people thinking you are a knowledgeable person.
Yeah, especially in Asia, like India, Pakistan, these country. Without, if you don't know this language, people think that you have no education, you don't know anything. It's like that. Yeah, you are right.
Yes. And it
Oh,
will good for me also if I learn, so it will good for me also. For
yes,
me, I will.
especially in the job environment.
Yes, yes, I can apply for other job. There, if I apply for other jobs, so I will. For me, will get good salary and all that. Because if you will go for an interview, so 50% depend job upon communication skills. If you have good communications, you will select other other than that you will reject. If you have they will not, if you have a good communication skill, so they will not see your experiences and all that.
Yes, yeah, you are right. Like, especially in the job sector, it is really important for everyone to communicate and just start using English as a second language. So, my point is like, after the job, how many hours do you really give to English? Like, how many hours do you spend daily to improve your English?
Sometimes I every day use Habro CV. So on Habro, for me getting 25 minutes, and on CV there we getting 30 minutes. So 1 hour I use, I speak with unknown people, different people, and I I watch conversation video again and again every day.
1 hour daily, right?
Yes, and every day
Okay.
this way I trying to improve my communication skill.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Eh, I would say it's a good, like, as a job person, even 1 hour is too much. I saw a lot of people who are working on a job, they usually give maybe 20 to 30-minute daily. But yeah, you are doing great job. You are putting 1 hour daily for this language, and yeah, you are improving day by day.
Yes, but because for me also sometimes not getting time. Sometimes I get time. Sometimes I not getting time. Today I have free time. So whenever I get free time, I at in that time I try to connect different people, unknown people.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, this is the good, I would say, good methodology that you are adopting and you are just looking into it. So I guess I have some other activities to do. Like, can we wrap up this session and we can have any session
Yes,
later on? Yeah,
yes,
it
yes.
was really amazing and nice conversation with you.